next chance for showers. Kate, good morning.
Good morning to you, Janelle. Yeah, the morning rain out of here, but we do have another chance later on this evening. In between, well, it's brightening up. We've got breaks of blue sky as we look out the windows of our next weather sphere, but man, is it humid outside. The steam factor has not decreased at all. In fact, it feels even worse because of the heat building with more sunshine than what we saw yesterday. Clouds are breaking for sun as we speak, but it is very humid, very high humidity all day long. And then later this evening, scattered storms as an actual cold front finally makes some progress through the region. So here's a look at what you're stepping out to right now. It's warming up very quickly. We're at 74 degrees. Clouds are breaking, and now that the sun starts to beat down on the region, that's when temps are really going to go off to the races quickly. 69 degrees up in Pottstown, 71 in Coatesville, 73 in Wilmington. But, you know, we haven't really gotten that drop in humidity. That doesn't happen until overnight or even tomorrow morning. Once it does, though, that's going to usher in our next big change, which is a change for the better. More comfortable conditions for the next couple of days. Satellite and radar shows the morning rain has moved off the coast. We do still have showers and storms to the north and west that are moving in, and this is what we'll be watching for later on this afternoon and evening. Clouds breaking for sun now, generating some instability. The threat for severe weather stays to the south and west, but you can see we are in this generalized thunderstorm risk. Do think we will see at least a few scattered storms later on this evening. So plan accordingly. It's the last week of summer for many kids. If the kids are home, you're heading out to the pool. Look at that, 4 p.m., 87, feels like 95. But later on this evening, showers and storms are going to try to fire up again thanks to the heating of the day. And we'll see that try to push toward the city by about 7 o'clock this evening. I'll walk you through the rest of this timing, plus a return to less humid conditions coming up with the 7-day next weather forecast. Janelle, I'll send it back to you.
All right, thank you.
Back yesterday with the rain, and we've got a very steamy air mass in place today. A lot of cloud cover down the shore. The showers have mainly cleared, but you can see looking out to sea from Ocean City, it looks pretty dreary out there and kind of dreary in the Poconos as well. Clouds still hanging on. We still have some fog out there this morning. Let's talk about your next few days. Today we're going to call it muggy and unsettled. It's not all that wet, but there will be the chance for a few scattered afternoon or evening thunderstorms. We'll see some sun through most of the afternoon, but it is humid. Tomorrow, the humidity drops throughout the day. Seasonably hot with a high near 90, but not a bad day to be out and about. And Wednesday looks like a pretty nice summer day. It's hot with a run at 90, but the lowest humidity of the week, and it's a full day of sunshine. So trying to squeeze in a few more summer plans, head to the pool before everyone goes back to school. Wednesday, probably your best day of the week to do so. Our next weather maker gets in on Thursday, especially Thursday evening, but there could be a few showers in the morning. Storms are likely Thursday evening into Friday, and that front may stall nearby into the weekend, could generate some unsettled weather even Friday and Saturday, but that kind of remains to be seen, exact location of that stalled front. Take a look at what we're dealing with this morning, and you can see clouds still hanging on down the shore, still a couple of sprinkles, but not much, nothing like what we saw overnight that prompted some flash flood warnings. Clouds are breaking for some sun around the city and suburbs right now. Very humid, but at least it's bright. You'll need the sunglasses midday, but have the umbrella handy this evening because you can see another line of showers and storms will start to fire up north and west by about 6 o'clock, approaching the city around 7, and we could see some heavy downpours with this. It does not look like severe weather, but heavy rain and some lightning and thunder may drive you indoors this evening and could be a slow go out there on the roads later on. Then it's quiet for your Tuesday. Tomorrow looks like a really nice day, lowering humidity throughout the day, and Wednesday we'll settle into this nice dry stretch here. We'll get sunshine, low humidity, high pressure and control. It's Thursday that our next system approaches, and Thursday morning we could start dealing with some showers early with a warm front nearby, but the cold front comes through later Thursday afternoon and evening with another chance for rain and thunder, and that's going to drive the humidity back up again. So you can see we've been kind of up and down. This morning we're starting high. We'll drop the humidity Tuesday and Wednesday, but then very quickly for Thursday, it ramps back up, and that also brings our next best chance for some rain Thursday and possibly Friday into the weekend as well. Here's what that looks like as we pull it up on the floor for you here. I want to take you through the timing of the shower chances later on in the week, Thursday into Friday. And again, what we'll be looking at is basically rain moving in, scattered showers Thursday morning, then some heavier rain Thursday evening, and that will linger into early Friday. This front may stay nearby, and that could generate some instability for Friday and Saturday, producing shower and thunder shower chances both of those days. So really the takeaway is that tomorrow and Wednesday look like the driest with low humidity, even though it's hot, and then we get more unsettled weather Thursday with shower and storm chances into the weekend. Janelle, I'll send it back over to you.
All right, thank you, Kate. 9:21 now, still to come here this morning. Today marks